Hello beautiful fashionistas, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be creating this beautiful exaggerated earring. Okay, so let's go into the tutorial. All right, so we'll be needing a length of 18 inches for our strap, then the width will be 4 inches. Okay, 18 by 4. Okay, that's what we'll be needing, and on fold it will be 2 inches. Okay, so I'll folded it into 2 this way. First thing, you fold it into 2. After measuring the length, you're going to fold into 2 this way, then mark this line, straight line at the other side, then slanted one at the other edge. You head to the machine to make a stitch on it, which I've done here. Then the other end, you make a stitch already, the slanted side, which I've done. Then you flip it to the right side. Once you flip it to the right side, use something to push out the pointed mouth very well. You push the other side too, and you balance, you're good to go. So when you're done doing that, you're going to make a stitch to close it up. Yes, the open side like that. You're going to make a straight stitch to close it up. Let's go ahead and do it and bring it back. So I'm done doing it like this. Yeah, I'm done making the stitches. The next thing I will be doing here is to create a gathers. Okay, the stitch you're going to make it a form that you can also use it to create a gathers at that edge. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Yeah, so I'm done dragging it, and this is the outcome. Then get your glue stick, get your earring, any earring you're not using, just get it, okay, that has that type of shape. Then you go ahead to fold your earring this way. You fold the material, it's not yet earring, fold the material this way. Just gradually watch what I'm doing. You're going to fold it this way, fold it this way, fold it this way. Just play around with it and you get something like this. Then you go ahead to use your needle and thread to stitch it tight. You're going to stitch it very tight this way. You're going to stitch it very tight. So once you're done with that, you get your gum, get your earring, and hook it together this way. Okay, this is it. I've used the gum to hook the earring this way. Position it the way you want it to look on your ear. Okay, so I want the pointed side to drop down, then the bow side to be at the upside. So that is it, and this is the final of our beautiful earring. You could just do packing gel and put it on it to bring out the beauty of your style. Okay, if you want to do photo shoot, you're good to go. You can just wear it to create exaggerated shoot or something like that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.